Buha ba yan? Nakatinting ako. Kunin ko sa kita.
3, 2, and 1. Okay, so we already have our participants. Anyways, before we pursue, guys, we're going to introduce ourselves. So, okay, follow lang tayo. Isira kami itong steps. Okay. March. Very good. March. And then jump. And twist. Then clap. Okay, twist and clap to the left, to the right, to the left. Point to the right. Point to the left. Point to the right. Point to the left. Okay, shake and point. To the left. Very good. Again, to the right. Very good. Now to the left. Okay, repeat from the top. Twist. Clap, twist. And clap, twist. Clap, twist. And clap. Point to the right. Point to the left. Point to the right. Point to the left. Okay, good job mga dancers na dahil itong participants. Okay, sa per round, mga atong official winner. Okay, now kids, form 2 lines. 1 line on the other side and 1 line on this side. Form your line from smallest to tallest and tallest to smallest. Okay. Asa man ang team ni para 7 versus 7 ka para fair fight. Okay, alin ka sa front, Pipi. Okay, now I want you to do an arms forward raise and don't break your line. As we're going to the bull pit. Okay, Ate Mayet. Come on everyone, let's go to the bull pool. Come in, follow, follow, follow. Oh, don't break your lines, ha? Don't break the lines. Careful, careful. Oh, follow, Ate, follow, Ate. Ate Mayet, nabiyaan na rin ba yung tape, Ate Mayet? Ay, 30 seconds. Again. Ate, ayaw i-shoot na rin. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, stop! Oh, stop na, stop na, stop na. Move backward, kids. Move backwards. Okay, we're going to count na ha. Mag-start na kang Ate Mayet. Go, Ate Mayet. Singot na.
Ako na sa movie.
Yeah, may soda pop. Yeah, soda pop. Lapu-lapu.
Lapu-lapu.
1, 2. Ay, sa wala pa dong.
Wow.
Ay, sa dong wala. Okay, 1. Ana dong, ana dong.
Matangtang na rong higot.
Ano? Where's your sword? Talaga ginadili. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, baby!
Where you want panang sak?
Okay. There's the parents of Mommy and Daddy, Mommy Ara and Daddy. And here, player number 1, please come over. Forward. Hello. Gusto siyang down ako eh. What is your name, Kuya? Kuya P? Okay, how old are you? We should be. Thank you so much, player number 4. Let's give a big round of applause. Let's move on to another player. Player number 5. A big round of applause. Here. A big round of applause to player number 6. Let's move on to player number 7. A big round of applause. Kuya. I think everybody say number 2. Player number 9. Forward to the left. Hi. Hello. What is your name? Danica, alright. And how old are you, Ate Danica? You are 7 years old, and what do you want to be when you grow up? Well, future doctor someday. Alright, plus our future doctor, player number 9. And let's move on to player number 10. You are 8 years old, and what do you want to be when you grow up? We have B2 and the Pabutu. Ready? Hello, kids? Okay, please. One more time, let's say hello, say hi, hello. Okay, our first game is what we call the game. The mechanics of the game forward from here, ate. With Queen. Okay, this is happy. And when Kuya Cloud here says birthday, you raise your hands, both hands. Show me your rocky face. Both hands. Okay, face. Birthday. 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 Okay, what is happy? One more time, what is happy? Ate, what is happy? Baby, what is happy? You are the one. Happy? Okay, birthday. And when Kuya Clown here says happy birthday, just put your hands on your hips. Both hands. This is happy birthday. Happy birthday, shake your body. Happy birthday, down, down. Happy birthday, shake, down, shake and down, down, shake and down. Shake down, down, and okay, one more time. What is happy? Happy and birthday. And what is happy birthday? Happy birthday. Very good. So players, first I'm going to say slowly and the good part. And happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. And reminder, kids, don't follow if I'm going to happy birthday. Show me your okay face. Birthday because I will be choosing the best performer. Or birthday, show me your thumb. Birthday, 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 birthday. Ladies and gentlemen, please have a welcome and let's give him a round of applause to happy, 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 happy. You are the one. Happy, happy, happy. Very good. Okay, we are moving on to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Traditional star and Pasko, traditional star and Pasko. Flower arrangement na sila. Charla, ready? 1, 2, and happy birthday, 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 happy birthday. One. Okay. Happy birthday! Thank you so much. You are our 2 winners. Ready? 1, 2, and happy birthday, 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 happy birthday. Abi mo kahoy sa ate ko man. Miss Mona Anawiraya. Where do you want to go? si Baby Andre ang mami. Say happy birthday, Andre. Thank you so much, Auntie, for coming. And of course, get your lucas and giveaways. Okay, say happy birthday, Andre. Thank you, Kuya, for coming. And of course, sorry. So sorry. Okay, thank you, baby. Thank you so much for coming. Alright. Last kiss. Alright. Ito mga small kiddos, please, una mo kids, together with your mommies. Say happy birthday, Andre. Say happy birthday, Andre. Thank you, Kuya, for coming. And that's your good bag. Okay, you are going to choose your bags. And of course, you have your good bags. Say happy birthday, Andre. Oh, so cute. Thank you so much, mommy, and of course, baby, for coming. And of course,